Hi kids, welcome to Cloudy Pixel Kids. Today we're going to have so much fun learning how to draw and color a pencil sharpener. Ready to get creative? Let's start. First, grab your marker or pencil and let's draw the shape of the pencil sharpener. Start with a rectangle and don't forget to curve the edges a little for that fun look. Nice and easy, just like this. Now let's add the little slot where the pencil goes in. This is where the magic happens. Draw a smaller rectangle inside the big one and leave space for the button at the bottom. Great job. Time to get our color pencils out. Let's color the outside of the pencil sharpener with a pretty green. You can color it in smooth, even strokes, just like you're painting with magic. Let's finish up with a bright yellow color for the button at the bottom. It'll make your sharpener look so shiny and fun. Wow! Look at your beautiful pencil sharpener. You've done an awesome job coloring and drawing today. You're a true artist.